Have you ever picked up your Kobo Libra excited to read, only to realize the book you want all costs money? You scroll to the store and every title that catches your eye has a price tag on it. Or maybe you heard about the National Library Board's eBooks collection, but you thought it was only for phones, tablets or computers. It can feel frustrating, right? You have already invested in an e-reader that's supposed to make reading simple and enjoyable. But now, it seems like the best books are locked behind another paywall. Spending money when thousands of free titles are out there just waiting for you. It doesn't make sense. Here's the good news. If you have Kobo, you don't need to spend money on every single book. You can borrow ebooks from the NLB right on your device. No computers needed, no messy file transfers, and no late fee to worry about. It's easier than most people think. The Kobo comes with a feature called OverDrive. This is the same systems that powered the NLB's ebook borrowing. Once you connect to your Kobo to NLB through OverDrive, you have access to thousands of titles right at your fingertips. So let's go through it together step by step. When you're on your Kobo home screen, look for OverDrive. On some models, it's right on the main menu, while on others, you find it under Settings. When you tap OverDrive, it will ask you to choose your library. Search for National Library Board Singapore. Once you see it, tap it. Next, it will ask you to sign in. Here, you can use your library ID, or if you prefer, you can use your SingPass. Both works, so just pick whichever easier for you. And that's it. Once you logged in, your Kobo is now connected to NLB. You don't have to do this again unless you reset your device. From now on, your e-reader knows that you are an NLB member and it will let you borrow books directly. Now, let's look for a book to read. This part is actually pretty fun because you're browsing a library without leaving your couch. On your Kobo, you can search in different ways. If you already know the title or the author, just type it in the search bar. But if you're not sure what you want, you can browse through the library's collections. NLB organizes books into categories like fiction, non-fiction, new release, or even curated lists such as award winnings or trend picking. Let's say a book catches your eye. You tap on it and you see two options, borrow or place hold. If the book is available right now, tap borrow. The Kobo will immediately start downloading the book, and within a few moments, it will appear in your library, ready to read. But sometimes, popular books are already borrowed by other people. In that case, you see place hold instead. Placing a hold is like lining up in the library queue. Tap place hold, and the Kobo will automatically keep track for you. As soon as it's your turn, your e-reader will let you know, and you can borrow it instantly. No need to keep checking every day. Once the book is borrowed, it appears in your library alongside your purchase title. You don't have to do anything extra. Just tap the cover and start reading. This is where the Kobo really shines. You can customize your reading experience, making the text bigger or smaller, depending on what feels comfortable for your eye. Adjust the brightness of the screen or turn on Comfort Light Pro to reduce blue light in the evening. If you like reading at night, dark mode is great options because it put white text on a black background, making it gentler on your eyes. And the best part, when the borrowing period ends, the book simply returns itself. It disappears from your library without having you to do anything. That means no late fee, no reminder, and no stress. It's like borrowing from a physical library, but much more convenient. Quick pause. If you're looking for trusted IT and AV partner, check out SourceIT. Get free access to design, consultation, and quotation for bespoke solution tailored for modern workspace. We support individual purchases, contract-based corporate deal, and government procurement with international shipping available. Open for discussion based on your needs. From Microsoft Teams room to hybrid work setup, we deliver the right gear and expert support so your meeting just works. If you're ready to elevate your workspace experience, visit sourceit.com.sg for smarter IT and AV solution. Now let's get back to the video. Extra tips. If you want to plan your reading in advance, you can also use the NLB mobile app. There, you can browse, borrow, or place hold just like on the Kobo. The next time your e-reader connects to Wi-Fi, it will sync automatically and show the books you borrowed from the app. This is super useful if you're on the go. Maybe scrolling your phone during lunch and you spot a book you want to read later. Just borrow it in the app. And by the time you get home, your Kobo will already have it waiting for you. So now you know, your Kobo isn't just for buying books. With NLB and OverDrive, you have a free library built right into your e-reader. It's perfect for daily commutes, holiday, or just curling up on the couch. Thousands of free ebooks with no late fee, no complicated steps, and no extra device needed. If you'd like to grab one of these, bulk orders are available by reaching to us at sales@sourceit.com.sg. For individual purchases, check out our Shopee or Lazada stores for the best deal. And don't forget, our Shopee and Lazada store often run limited time promos where you can pick up extras like screen protectors, cases, or even gift cards to top up your ebook library, so be quick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow book lovers. And I'd like to hear from you. What's the very first free ebook you're going to borrow from NLB? Thanks for watching and happy reading. See you in the next video.